Okay, let's look at our model. It's starting to look a bit more interesting, but let's add some more detail to our pillars. To start, navigate to a view underneath this near pillar. Now we'll learn to edit it. Watch as I try to push-pull on these surfaces. SketchUp won't let me, and that's because I'm not actually editing the component. To edit this component, we need to double-click on it with the Select tool. A single click will select the component, but if we double-click, we see something different. A dotted line surrounding our pillar, and the rest of the model is faded out. Click outside of the component, and it closes again. Practice that sequence a few times. Double-click to edit this component, and click outside of the dotted box to close it. Do that again and again, and keep an eye on that dotted bounding box so you get a sense of when you are editing a component or when you are outside of it. So let's widen the base of our pillars. Double-click to edit and make sure we see the dotted lines. We'll try a new tool here, the Offset tool. With this tool, click once on the bottom surface and pull away to offset this entire shape. Now type 1 for 1 inch and press Enter, then pull this new surface up 12 inches. As we've been working on this one pillar, you may have noticed that the other pillars are also changing. Remember that we made this pillar a component, and this is the power of components. We can edit just one component, and all copies of that component are affected. There is a lot of power and efficiency built into components, so we will revisit components many times in other lessons. For now, let's close this component by clicking outside of it and get ready to create the platform in our next lesson.